TEMU clothes worth the hype? Let's find out. So I have 4 bags here and some accessories, and we're going to get started trying them on right now. Let me show you the first thing that I ordered. So the very first thing I ordered is this cute little skirt. Let me take it out of the bag and we will check out the fabric and see how thick it is and how it feels. Okay, so this is the skirt. I will put it on in just a second. Let's check out the fabric. It almost feels like parachute pant material, like it's really thin. It's not, I don't think it's cotton. It's definitely some kind of a polyester blend or something. So this does not feel exactly like what I expected it to. I expected something a little bit more soft, and if you can hear it, it's more like parachute material. So let's just go ahead and give it a try and we'll see what we think of it. And here is the next outfit. This shirt actually came from Amazon, and here is the skirt from TEMU. Let me step back. It's not as long as what I had expected it to be. Whoops. I can't keep my balance sometimes. It's probably all the liquor. No, I'm just kidding. But it comes like to above my ankle. And above my ankle is not cool. Like, I expected it to come to the floor because, you know, it's either like a T-length dress that comes to like your mid-calf or like goes to the floor. Like, above your ankle is just a weird spot. And it's not because I'm tall. I am actually only 5'1", so it's not like I'm so tall that I'm growing out of these. They're just not, they're a no-go. These are just a no-go. I'm going to give them a 0 out of 10. Next thing I got was this bag with something black in it. I gotta break into it first. Here is the dress. I will put a picture up from the website so you can see kind of what it looked like on the model. To me, it kind of looked like the fabric was going to be more of like a kind of softer, maybe, I don't know, some kind of soft material that would be like a little bit warmer. But it is not. It's pretty thin. I can see daylight through this dress. So let's go ahead and we will give it a shot and see what it looks like. And I don't think it's going to be very warm. So I got it for winter, but I think I'm going to wear it on some spring days or summer days. So let's check out this dress. Here is the dress. It does feel a little softer than I thought it would. It's not very warm at all. Let me step back. It's definitely not made of that soft fabric. Let me show you the back here. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I do like how it kind of comes up. You can actually adjust these little ties right here, so that's kind of fun on each side. You can make it longer or shorter. I did kind of think when I was looking at it earlier, it looked kind of like a potato sack. And I thought it was just going to give me a potato sack figure. It could be pulled a little bit in the back, and I think that would make it look a little bit more snatched. But overall, it's not a bad look. It's just not what I expected. So let's check out the next thing that I have to show you. And this is the last one. Check it out. I really like how it has the lacing down the center, and it's ruched in the back, so it'll be really easy to get on. Once again, the fabric does not feel like what I expected. I thought it would be a little bit softer. It's kind of that, you can hear it. It's not quite like that parachute material like the last stuff was, but it's just, it doesn't seem like it'd be super duper soft. It's just kind of slippery. So let's go ahead and give this one a try as well. And here is the last one. I think it looks super duper cute. The pockets aren't tucked in. There. Alright, it looks much better with my pockets tucked in. Tell me what you think in the comments of this one. I think that it is super cute. I love how it laces up right here. Let me get a little bit closer. So right here on the shoulder area, you get to show a little shoulder. And then I'll show you the back. And as you can see, it has that ruched backing, so it was very easy to put on. I did not have to untie anything, so that was really wonderful. And the next thing that I'd like to show you are some accessories that I ordered from Shein. First, I will give the last two outfits a rating. The one before this, I would say probably 5 out of 10. And for this one, because it is so darn cute, I would say probably a 7 out of 10. But so far, no 10 out of 10s. I have ordered some clothes from Shein that were definitely a 10 out of 10, and I was hoping I'd get that same experience from TEMU, but so far we're not quite there yet. Let's check out some accessories. What's in the bag? First thing, I ordered some bobbins. So if you're interested in ordering bobbins, they look like they're fine. They didn't come in a case or anything, God forbid, you know, because they're cheap. But the bobbins do work in my sewing machine. But the rest of it is actually like cutesy little stuff. I did order this headdress right here. It has elastic in the back and little pretties in the front. And I will try this on for you. Let me show you the next thing. I ordered some earrings, so that'll be interesting. Alright. You know what? Honestly, so far the weight of them isn't bad. It's not super light. This is what the earrings look like. They're the lovely shade of blue. And by the way, a 10 out of 10 on those earrings. They don't feel too light either. Let me show you what they look like. Okay, so these are weird. Right here, they have like a little, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little deal that this just pops right off of. And it looks like it's supposed to be that way, so I'm gonna have to crimp this. But that's what this earring looks like, or these earrings. I wouldn't just order one. That would be weird. It's nice and purple. Sure, you already saw that. Let's get on to the next one. Alright, and this is the last thing. And those earrings that I just showed you, I would give those like a 7 out of 10 because of that weird area where they could just come off. Who would do that? Okay, and these are little hoop earrings. Stop moving. These are little hoop earrings, so they actually have a hoop right there. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So they have a hoop right there that actually connects into your ear. And then you have the dangly that dangles below. And that is it for the jewelry. And here is the headband. So it's giving me pirate vibes for some reason right now. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And with that being said, we are done with this TEMU video. I would say an overall for TEMU, I wouldn't give them a 10 out of 10. I would say like, I don't know, overall I would say more of a 5 out of 5. I mean, no, not a 5 out of 5. No. Like a 5 out of 10. Let me know what your experience is in the comments below. And let me know if I should try any more TEMU or if I just should not. I've seen so many videos out there that were like, yay, TEMU, oh, it's so great, it's better than Shein, and all these things. And I think a lot of those videos are sponsored. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm being completely honest with my answers. So I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace out.